We're looking at homework from section 5.2. This is question number 7. The monthly utility bills in a city are normally distributed, with a mean of $100 and a standard deviation of $13. Find the probability that a randomly selected utility bill is A, less than $65, B, between $80 and $110, and C, more than $140. So we're going to start with part A. So we need to find the z-score for x equals 65. The z-score formula is x minus mu over sigma. So this is going to be 65 minus 100 over 13, which is negative 35 over 13, which is negative 2.69. Because this z-score is negative, we need the negative side of the standard normal distribution table. We find z equals negative 2.69, and that has a table value of 0.0036. So that means that the probability that somebody's bill is less than $65 is 0.0036. Because when we're doing the probability that x is less than a number, the table value is our area, and the area is probability. And that's your answer for part A. In part B, we're looking for the probability that a randomly selected utility bill is between $80 and $110. So we're going to start here with x equals 110, because when you're finding probability that x falls between two values, you start with the value on the right, which is 110. 110 minus 100 over 13 is 10 over 13. When we divide, we get 0.77. And that's going to lead us to a table value. Well, we need the positive side of the standard normal distribution to find this table value. And for 0.77, the table value is given by 0.7794. Now let's look at the x value of 80. When x is 80, our z-score is 80 minus 100 over 13, which is negative 20 over 13, which is negative 1.54. So now we need the negative side of the standard normal distribution table. And we look up negative 1.54, and our table value is 0.0618. So to find the probability that the bill falls between $80 and $110, we're going to subtract these two values. So we do 7794 minus 0.618, and that probability is 0.7176. That's your answer for part B. In part C, we want the probability that a randomly selected utility bill is more than $140. So we find that z-score for x is 140. Z equals 140 minus 100 over 13, which is 30 over 13, which is 2.31. So we need the positive side of the standard normal distribution table. We look up 2.31, and we get a table value of 0.9896. Because we're looking for greater than area, we have to do 1 minus the table value. So the probability that x is more than $140 is 1 minus 0.9896, which is 0.0104. That's your answer to part C, and those are your answers.